Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your trading experience with Bitfinex, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before you start trading on Bitfinex, ensure you have a reliable internet connection and a secure device. Visit the Bitfinex website and create an account by clicking on the register button. Fill in the required personal information and choose a strong password to secure your account. Verify your email address by clicking on the confirmation link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log in to your Bitfinex account. Navigate to the Security tab in your account settings to enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. Next, complete the identity verification process by submitting the necessary documents. After your account is verified, deposit funds by clicking on the Deposit button. Select your preferred currency and payment method to transfer funds into your Bitfinex account. Once your funds are deposited, familiarize yourself with the trading interface. Explore the different markets available on Bitfinex, including crypto to crypto and fiat to crypto pairs. Use the trading section to view charts, order books, and trade history. Start by setting up a demo account if available, to practice trading without risking real money. When you're ready, choose a trading pair and analyze the market trends. Set your order types, such as market orders or limit orders, based on your trading strategy. Monitor your trades and manage your risk by setting stop-loss orders. Utilize Bitfinex's advanced features, such as margin trading and lending, to enhance your trading experience. Stay updated on market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions. Regularly review your trading performance to improve your strategies over time. Make sure to continuously educate yourself on trading techniques and market dynamics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.